Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add a button to the navigation menu of your WordPress website. So this is the navigation menu of my WordPress website, and here at the end of these menu items, we will add a custom button, and we'll also add some CSS to make it look a bit different. So let's get started. So here I'm in the dashboard of my WordPress website. So let me show you the theme that I'm using. So let's go to Appearance and click on Themes. So here we can see the theme that I'm using is Astra. Now let's go ahead and add our button to this navigation menu. So let's go over here to Menus inside Appearance. And here you can find the list of all the menus in your WordPress website. So if I click over here, we can see that there are two menus in our WordPress website. And let's go to our website, and here we can see we have About, Features of the product, and these two menu items. And if you go back over here, we can see that these are the same menu items which are displayed in our website over here. So let's go ahead and add a new menu item over here. So if you have a page in your WordPress website which you want to add as a menu item, then you can go ahead and select the page from here and then click on Add to Menu. But if you don't have a page and if you want to add a button to go to an external website, then you can go ahead and click on Custom Links over here. And in the same way, you can also add posts or categories over here. So you can go ahead and select any of these and add them as the menu items over here. So let's go ahead and click on Custom Links, and for the URL, I'll just type hash for now. You can go ahead and type the URL that you want over here. And for the link text, I'll just type download. So we'll be having a button over here at the end of the menu items called download. So let's go ahead and click on Add to Menu. And here we can see the download menu item has been added over here. Now let's click on Save, and let's go back to our website and see whether it is being added. So let's refresh this page, and we can see that at the end of all the menu items, we can see a new menu item called Download. Now let's see how to add a different styling to this download button. So for that, let's go back over here, and you have to scroll up and click on this button called Screen Options, and you'll be presented with all these options over here, and you have to select CSS Classes and then just close it. And now if you scroll down over here, and if I click on Download, here we can see there's an option called CSS Classes, and here you can add a CSS class to this particular menu item. So let's just give it a CSS class of Custom Button. You can go ahead and name this class anything you want, and once you're done that, just click on Save Menu. And let's go back to our website and let's refresh this page. And if I right click over here and click on Inspect, here we can see for this list item, we also have a new class called Custom Button, and all the other classes are already there. But for all the other list items, we don't have the Custom Button class. So we can go ahead and use this class and customize our menu item. So let's go ahead and add some styles over here. So first of all, we'll add the styles in this inspector, and then we will add it to our website. So let's go ahead and click over here. And first of all, let's set the background color to 1D3557, and the next thing we're going to do is set the color of the text to white. And the color is not being added because we have the anchor tag inside the list item, and it has a different color. So if I click on the anchor tag, and if I scroll down here, we can see we have this color of the text set to this value over here. So let's go ahead and remove these styles from here, and we will add it to the anchor tag. So I'll just copy this and disable these. And let's go to the anchor tag and let's add the styles over here. Alright, let's go ahead and set the font weight to bold, and we'll also set the height to 42 pixels, and let's set a padding of 0 pixels top and bottom and 32 pixels left and right. And we'll also add some border radius for rounded corners. So I'll just type 24 pixels over here. And let's add some margin left to this button. So let's type margin left, and here we will type 24 pixels. And I think that looks alright. So let's copy these styles from here, and let's go back to our dashboard, and I'm using this plugin called Custom CSS NJS to add our custom CSS. If you don't have this plugin installed on your WordPress website, you can go over here to Plugins and click on Add New and search for Custom CSS NJS and just install and activate it. And once you're done that, you will have this option over here called Custom CSS NJS. So let's go ahead and click on Add Custom CSS. And for the title, we'll just type Custom Button CSS. And let's delete all of this from here. And first of all, let's see what is the selector. So let's right click over here and click on inspect. And we know that we have added this class called custom button. And if I scroll down, we can see that we have this selector called main header menu, and in that we have menu item, and in that we have the anchor tag. So first of all, let's copy this. And along with the menu item class, we also have the custom button class. So first of all, let's copy this selector, and let's go back over here and let's paste it over here. And here we will also type menu item dot custom button, and let's add our styles inside here. So let's copy these styles from here, and let's paste it over here. And let's also add a hover style. So let's copy this and paste it over here, and we'll type :hover. When we hover over this, we will have a white background color, and we'll also change the color of the text to black, and we'll also add a border. So let's go back over here and let's add a border. So let's type border 1 pixel solid, and we'll add the same color over here. So let's copy this and paste it down here, and here we'll type background color, and we'll set it to white, and the color of the text to black. And we'll also add a transition for smooth animation. We'll set it to all 500 milliseconds, and let's click on publish. And let's go back to our website and let's refresh the page, and we can see that the styles have been added to this button. Let's hover over this, and the styles are working alright. Now let's open the mobile version. So let's right click and inspect, and we'll click on this button called toggle device toolbar. So this is the mobile version of our website. So let's click on this menu icon, and we have this download button displayed over here. Now in our mobile version, we can see that we have a lot of width for the button, so we have to reduce the width a little bit. So let's right click and click on inspect, and let's set a max width to this button. So let's set a max width of, let's say, 140 pixels. And now we can see that we have a max width of 140 pixels. And I think the text is not centered properly. So let's make this a display of flex. So let's type display flex, and we'll align items to the center and justify content to the center. Now the text is centered vertically and horizontally. Now in the mobile version, we will have a little bit of margin for this button. So let's add some margin over here. So I'll just type margin, and we'll set it to 16 pixels, and that looks alright. So we will add this margin to the mobile version. But before that, let's go ahead and copy these lines of CSS from here, and we'll just add it over here. And now let's add the margin to the mobile version. So let's go over here to our website, and let's increase the width and see when is the mobile version displayed. So let's increase the width over here. So here we can see when we are less than 921 pixels, it is changing to the mobile version. So let's add the media query over here in our CSS. So here I'll just type @media, and we'll type max width of 921 pixels. Now whatever CSS we have over here will be added to the website only if the screen width is less than 921 pixels. So let's copy this selector from here, and let's paste it over here. And here we'll just type margin 16 pixels, and that's it. Let's go ahead and update, and let's refresh this page. Now let's click on this button, and here we can see that the download button is being displayed over here, and everything looks alright. Let's open the desktop version, and here we can see we have the download button for the desktop version, and everything looks alright. So that's basically how you add a custom button to the navigation menu of your WordPress website. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.